All right, Commissioner Calvert, you get to reintroduce the next two. Oh, these are very special people. First, we're going to do the presentation proclamation on behalf of Commissioners Court, recognizing the legacy and the work of Miss Deborah Knapp. Would you please step forward with you and your family, your friends, or whoever else you want? Commissioner Calvert.
Well, thank you so much. I thought that the incredible legacy of a Precinct 4 resident like Deborah Knapp could not be understated. Thank you and your husband and your family for coming today to have the county celebrate you. I mentioned you were a jewel, and I hate to break the bubble, but this is a jewelry box from the county, a custom jewelry box. So I'm going to ask Ramon if you'll provide this to Deborah. I didn't even know they had these, Deborah. You're a very special person. So this is a custom county jewelry box, of course, for the royalty that you are in our community. The Fourth Estate is an important check on government and on business, and you have been an incredible exemplar of the Fourth Estate for 50 years. We're going to say that. You haven't aged at all. So we have a proclamation recognizing the incredible contributions and just the spirit of community that you have exemplified. You and I often see each other for various things with the Catholic Charities at the St. Nicholas Ball or at the conservation of the missions that you are so dedicated to. And we thank you for all of those acts of charity that you did, emceeing programs and being a booster, whether it was a Jerry Lee Lewis telethon or whatever over the years. We appreciate that you gave your all to all of us. And this proclamation reads, whereas Ms. Deborah Knapp has dedicated nearly 5 decades to journalism, beginning her career at KSAT 12 in 1977, before becoming a trusted and enduring presence at KINS 5 in 1978, where she anchored the news with professionalism, warmth, and deep commitment to the people of San Antonio. And whereas Ms. Knapp remained a cornerstone of the station until her retirement in, well, you're still a cornerstone, in May of 2025, earning the admiration of viewers and colleagues alike for her journalistic integrity and deep understanding of the San Antonio community. Ms. Knapp mentored aspiring journalists, helping to cultivate a new generation of media professionals in San Antonio. And whereas Deborah Knapp has been a tireless advocate for education and philanthropy, establishing scholarships at the University of Texas and Alamo Colleges, and founding the KINS 5 Excel Award to recognize outstanding public school teachers. A member of the San Antonio Women's Hall of Fame, and a recipient of the Outstanding Volunteer Fundraiser Award. She has dedicated decades of volunteerism and leadership with institutions such as the Alamo Colleges Foundation and the Old Spanish Missions. And whereas Ms. Knapp retires as not only a legendary journalist, but as a civic leader whose contributions have enriched the lives of countless individuals in San Antonio and Bexar County. Now, therefore, be it resolved that the Bexar County Commissioners Court hereby recognizes and celebrates the legacy and work of Ms. Deborah Knapp. Witness our signatures and seal of office this 10th day of June, 2025, signed by your Commissioners Court. We would love to hear from you, Deborah. Give her a big round.
Oh, thank you so much, Commissioner Calvert and Judge Sakai, Commissioners Court. I'm humbled. And I'm just so honored by this recognition. It's been a privilege of a lifetime to serve the people of Bexar County for nearly 5 decades, to tell their stories and share their struggles and triumphs and try to connect this community. And even though I'm stepping away from the anchor desk, my heart is fully invested in this community. And I look forward to continuing to give back to this place that has given me so much. So thank you so much for this recognition and for this jewelry box. What a treat. I can't thank you enough. Words don't suffice. Thank you.
So Deborah, why don't you introduce your entire family here that come with you here? Watch that come. There. Oh, okay. Well, who are these good-looking guys? Are your bodyguards?
This is my son and his husband.
How are you? How are you doing? Celso, how are you? All right. So y'all want All right, Commissioner.